G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new Personal Cup adapter. This is compatible with Vitamix Classic models, and today I'm going to be making a green herb salad dressing. Absolutely delicious and healthy salad dressing recipe. Just going to unscrew the blade base. There we go. I'm just going to pour in half a cup of olive oil. I'm going to use about half a cup of packed parsley. Okay, we'll put that in. Just break it up a little bit, just makes it a little bit easier. And then I'm also going to use about quarter of a cup of mixed herbs. It can be any fresh herbs you like, it doesn't matter. I've just got a little bit of fresh mint and a little bit of dill. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar, balsamic, doesn't really matter. I'm going to put a little bit of sweetness in there, that's optional. I'm going to use some maple syrup, just 1 tablespoon. Big squeeze of lime for a little bit of sour, maybe just about 1 teaspoon. Just 1 teaspoon of Dijon. You could use whole grain mustard as well, doesn't matter, just to give it that kick. Just quarter of a clove of garlic. Just some salt and pepper, keep it pretty simple. So I'm going to attach our blade base. It does look a bit clunky, this blade base, but it's designed like this basically to protect your hand from the blade. Flip it upside down, there you go, it all drops to the bottom. I'm going to put it onto our classic Vitamix motor base. So this Personal Cup adapter is only compatible with classic Vitamix models, like the Total Nutrition Center, the Professional series, and the Exploring series. So make sure you have a classic Vitamix model if you purchase this. I'm going to just start it on speed 1. I'll work it up a little bit and just blend it for about 30 seconds or so. Away we go. So that's it. I've blended straight into the cup. Now I can literally just put my lid on, store it in the fridge, or when you need to use it, just pour it straight out over your salad. So simple. Let's try some of that. Just gonna lick my finger here, I hope you don't mind. Really good, really fresh. Taste all those herbs in there. A little bit of sweetness from the maple and the kick of the Dijon. Really nice salad dressing. That's the main reason I use these Personal Cup adapters at home. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Happy blending.